Recently on Instagram, I've been getting a lot of DMs about my beard, so today I thought it'd be a great idea to go through my beard routine and show you step by step what I do to maintain it. So before we get started, I want to give a quick thank you to Cremo for partnering up with me. They sent me a bunch of their products to try out, and today I'm going to show you a few of my favorites and show you how I've implemented them into my daily routine. So for me personally, my beard routine starts right at shower time, which is usually at night. So step number one for me is trimming the beard. So I'll trim usually the jawline and just the corners near the cheekbones. Step number two, wash your beard. So when I get into the shower, instead of using regular hair shampoo, which is going to extract the oil from the hair, I use Cremo's beard and face wash, which is going to keep that beard nice and hydrated. After I get out of the shower, I'll dry my beard off with a towel and get into step number three, which is oiling the beard up. So what I'll do is take the Cremo beard oil and just drop a little bit onto the pads of my fingers, rub them together, get it nice and heated up, and then massage it into my beard and get it really deep into the follicles, because the point of the oil for me is to hydrate the skin underneath the beard. The point of putting in the beard oil at night is that if you have oil in your beard throughout the day, a lot of times it can get on your clothing and around your shirt collars. So again, likewise at night, just make sure you have like an hour for that oil to soak in, so that this way when you go to sleep, the oil doesn't get all over your bed sheets. So if I wake up and my beard is really itchy, I'll do step number 4, which is using that beard and scruff cream. Now a lot of guys message me, they say that their beard is really itchy, and that's a very common problem. So the beard and scruff cream is like a super moisturizer. You're going to put it in and really massage it again into that skin, and it's going to hopefully hydrate your skin and get rid of any sort of beard itch. Step number 5 is using the beard balm. So when my beard gets a little bit longer and you need to tame the flyaway hairs, just scrape off a little of the balm, rub it into your hands, and you're just going to comb your beard with your hands, get it a little bit oiled up. It's going to keep it hydrated too, but mostly it's there to shape your beard and give it a little bit of fragrance for the rest of the day. I also encourage, if you're using the balm during the day, try not to use too much cologne, because you don't want mixing scents around, mixing fragrances around. Arguably the most important step of all is using that beautiful sandalwood comb to comb your beard straight and make sure that those hairs are going in one direction. A lot of guys have swirly beards, so you just want to comb it and make sure all the hairs are going in one direction. Thanks so much for watching, guys. All the products used in today's video are going to be linked in the description, and if you haven't already, check out Cremo's YouTube page for more information. So let me know in the comments below what you thought of my beard routine, and let me know what you guys do for your beards. Also, as always, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.